Qualified Manager Exam Applicants, February 7th, 2020. Now, I get asked the question a lot of how do I prepare for this exam? How do I prepare for the private patrol operator exam? There's so many different ways of learning, retaining information, to be exact. And I've posted videos before. Just scroll down and you'll find them on how to remember things for the exam. One of the things that I like to do is I like to venture out. When you're at the store or you're on your way to the store, if you see a security patrol car, look at the lettering on it. Is it consistent with the Business Professions Code? Does it have the words private security on it, the name of the private patrol operator company on it? Are those markings on it? Does it have amber lights? Is it an unmarked car? Apply the law the way you know it and venture out in the real world and ask those important questions. When the time comes when you're going to take the private patrol operator exam, you're going to better remember this information because you experience these issues in real life. When you're in the mall, you see a private security officer, look at the badge. Look at it. Is it consistent with the Business Professions Code? Is the word private security on it? Name of the licensee? And licensee is a fancy name for the private patrol operator company name, by the way. And is there a badge number on there? Is there an ID number? Venture off in the real world. Apply what you know to any situation in the field. If you're maybe at an outdoor mall or outdoor retail center, you're driving around the parking lot, ask yourself these questions. Look at one of the smaller stores or bigger stores, and if just imagine somebody running out and your contract security for that property, they're running out with some stolen goods. Does the merchant privilege pertain to that situation? Okay, ask yourself, under times of stress, are you going to be able to make that differentiation? Can you detain that person? Okay, well, if you answer yes, you got to do your research, you guys. You got to do your research. The answer to that is no. Okay, the merchant privilege rule pertains to merchants, and if you are an agent of each individual store, then yes, you can detain that person. Now, there's a big distinction between a detention and an arrest in the private security industry. So when I say detain, I mean detain. I mean that you're depriving this person temporarily of their freedom, which is different than an arrest. Okay, the arrest is taking a person to custody in a manner authorized by law, and you have the intent of turning that person over to law enforcement authorities. That's an arrest. You got to know the difference. Now, imagine that stress at the moment. If you don't know what to do, you're going to pause, or you're going to make the wrong mistake, which is going to expose your company to liability. Okay? Now, if you're able to run these scenarios in your mind and come up with the right answers on the fly, then when the time comes to take your state exam, you're going to be better prepared, because the state exam can be stressful when you're sitting there taking answers and you're wondering if it's the right answer or not. And it's stressful, just like how you're going down to the strip mall and coming up with these scenarios on the fly. There is some stress involved. Hope this helps. Make sure that you press the thumbs up button if you like this video. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, comment in the section below. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a important legal update or update that pertains to you and the industry. And press the bell notification button